Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a Christmas kind of tutorial on the look that I'm wearing right here. This is a collab with a bunch of people. I'll have them all listed in the description and their links to their video, as well as a playlist with all the videos. Basically, my friend Jasmine Hewitt here on YouTube, she came up with this idea that we all collab together, and she gave us a bunch of shades from the Conspiracy palette that we had to use in a look. So we all had to use the same exact shades and create our own interpretation of what kind of look we would want to do with those shades. I think that's such a genius idea. Like, honestly, she's awesome. I'll have her in the channel down below. This is the look that I came up with, and I think it's very like holiday themed, like holiday appropriate. Like, you could wear this to a holiday party at the office. Before I get into this video though, you have to hit that subscribe button, the notification bell, so you're notified for future uploads. Join my giveaway, by the way. I think, yeah, it's definitely still up. It's gonna, I think it ends what day did I say it was gonna end? The 28th, the 29th, 30th? I forgot. But it's still going on. All the rules will be in the description in case you're interested. And yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so getting straight into this, my eyebrows are already done and my lids are already primed, and I'm just going to break out my Conspiracy palette, which I actually haven't used in a while because I've been doing these crazy creative looks. I've mostly been using paints, to be honest, over on Instagram. Okay, so the colors that we have to use are Ranch, My Rides Here, Illuminati, Spiraling, Diet Root Beer, and the optional shade of Diet Cola. So that's Ranch, Spiraling, Illuminati, My Rides Here, and Wildcard Diet Cola. Oh, and Diet Root Beer. So really the only transition shade is Diet Root Beer. I don't even know what look I'm gonna do. I have no idea. I'm excited to finally use Illuminati though. I have not used that one. I keep calling it Illuminati, but it's really Illuminati, like sipping tea, right? I think I'm gonna start on the lid shades for the first time in my life. I'm gonna go ahead and take Illuminati on a, this is a, what's it called? Motor brush. I did get it in BOXYCHARM, so I don't know. But, oh no, I'm nervous. I've never started with a lid shade before. I'm gonna take this on half of my lid. Oh, such a pretty shade. Oh, I just realized another route I could go with this. So I'm gonna break it up into thirds actually, and this is gonna go in the middle third. I don't know what I wanna do, I'm so indecisive. I'm actually gonna bring this a little higher than my lid just to blend it into the crease with Diet Root Beer eventually. I'm gonna leave it at that for now because I think I wanna take Diet Cola in the very inner part, just over top Illuminati. I don't know. This is probably like my favorite shade of the entire palette, to be honest. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and grab a different flat brush. This is a Sigma Eye Shading E55 brush, and I'm gonna take Spiraling, which is this one. So this is like a deeper shade, so I think I'm gonna put it in the outer 1/3 and I'll bring it into my crease as well. I might have to blend some black over. I have no idea how I'm gonna use the black, probably as a liner. I just have to blend these two colors together. I love these shades, oh my goodness. I think I'm gonna go in with the Diet Cola and I'm gonna put it in the inner third of my lid. I want to see how this pops over Illuminati. Man, it's not gonna be enough for me, but let's just pack it on and see how it works. Ooh, I like. It's not bad. Now I just have to like blend the two colors together where they meet, because otherwise it's gonna look really weird. I really like it. I'm gonna just go in with the transition shade, which is a Diet Root Beer. Where's my brush? Just gonna pack that on the crease really lightly. Let's see. I might have to go back in with all the other shades I just went in with because it might like die with the shade. So let's see. Okay, so now I just need to intensify the lid shades a little bit more because they kind of got lost in the you know, transition shade in the crease. So I'm gonna start in the outer corner with Spiraling and just kind of really intensify that shade and blend it into the crease as well. Now I'm gonna take Illuminati, and I really want this to pop. I don't know how else to make it pop. I'm so sad. And then I'm gonna go in with Diet Cola and just really intensify that inner third as well. Ooh, that's so much better. So pretty. I love this color combo. I think she did such a great job in choosing these colors. So the last two shades I have to use are my Rides here, which is the black, and then Ranch, which I'm gonna use in the inner corner, but I'm also gonna use in the brow bone. I'm gonna quickly take this on a Sigma Lash Fan, and I'm just gonna put that shade in the brow bone real quick. This is such a stunning shade, to be honest. Like, love it. All right, now I'm gonna move on to the face makeup. I am gonna just talk you through what I'm doing because I feel like I might as well make this a full tutorial. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face. First, using the J.One Red Jelly Pack. This is such a great primer. I can't even tell you. This is absolutely phenomenal. It definitely sticks your foundation to your face so well. I can't even tell you how much I love it. And then I'm gonna go in with the Tatcha, the Silk Canvas, just to blur the pores a little bit. This primer makes every single foundation look good. Like, even if it's your least favorite foundation in the world, it'll make it look good. Like, trust me, you need it in your life. For foundation, I'm gonna be using the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue foundation. This is such a great foundation. It is matte, so if you don't like matte foundations, I would stay away from this one, but I have dry skin and it looks really good on my skin, especially with that primer combo. But it is my current favorite foundation. Also using the Dose of Colors sponge. It is such a good sponge. It is really flexible. I don't think I've ever felt a sponge like this. Like, when I first got it, I was like, this is amazing. It's so unique. I've never felt a sponge like this. So I really love this sponge. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, literally my favorite concealer of all time, and I just absolutely love this. It's super brightening. This is in the shade Light, and yeah, it definitely brightens my under eye, covers all my bags. Now I'm going to bake using the Fenty Beauty Butter Pro Filter Setting Powder. I don't know why I stuttered over that, but this is in the shade Butter. It's not the translucent one. I've never tried the translucent one. I wonder if it's as good, but this is my current favorite setting powder because it really blurs your under eyes. Like, it looks like super natural and it just sets everything so well without looking cakey, and I just absolutely love it. Okay, so let's start on the lower lash line, and I'm gonna first take the shade Diet Cola, and that's gonna go like actually kind of in a curve. I'm actually gonna put this a little bit in the inner corner, and then I'll go with Ranch over top of that. And then let's go in with Illuminati as close to the lower lash line as possible. And then lastly, spiraling. Actually, I'm gonna take a smaller brush if I can find one. Just gonna take a little bit of a Diet Root Beer and just swing it under everything really lightly. So before I dust away the bake though, I'm gonna take this same flat shader brush and just go in with my Rides here, which is the black, and just kind of do this on the like close to my lash line, so that I just have like a liner. It'll hide the lashes anyway, so. And now let's just dust away the bake just to, oh gosh, I hope that, oh yeah, okay, it really didn't get too far on my face. It did a little bit over here. Shoot. That's what, like, I hate fallout for this reason, but I cannot do my lower lash line before concealer. Like, that to me is just so weird, so I have to figure out how I can fix this. Alright, I'm gonna move on to the rest of my face. I'm gonna contour using the Benefit Hoola Bronzer. I've been loving this lately because I recently got it in PR, and I had it in my collection anyway, but it was just so old that I decided to just use the new one, and I actually really like the brush it comes with. It is so perfect for getting in the cheekbones right there. I absolutely love it. For blush, I'm going to be using the Burt's Bees Bare Peach Blush. I really like this because I don't know, I've been really into peach blushes lately. I just think it'll match this really nicely. It's kind of neutral, so yeah. Now I'm just going to spray some setting spray. I like doing this before highlighter. It makes the highlighter really pop. I also really love this setting spray, by the way. It smells so good. I'm not a strawberry fan, but I really like the smell. Before it dries, I'm going to take the highlighter. This is the Benefit Cookie Highlighter. I absolutely love this highlighter. Forgot to contour my nose. I always forget. And I'm going to go put on lashes off camera, and I'll be right back. So now I'm going to take the shade Ranch and just put that in the inner corner. And I'm just going to use the same brush that I used for Diet Cola since it's already in the inner corner anyway. It's just gonna make it really pop. Ooh, I love that shade so much. And I'm actually gonna put a little bit of black liner in my waterline just to smoke it out even more. I just feel weird with the bare waterline. Like, does anyone else feel weird? I have to put either black or white. Like, always. As much as I would love to use one of the lip shades from the collection, I think I'm just gonna go with a nude. This is the Jeffree Star Liquid Lipstick in the shade Christmas Cookie. The most perfect nude ever. Trust me, looks beautiful with every single look. But yeah, this is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I thought the idea for this video was so genius. Like, Jasmine is such a genius for coming up with this idea. I can't wait to see what everyone else comes up with, because we all have to use the same shades, and it's gonna look really, really cool to see like different interpretations of how to use these same shades together. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. You can subscribe right here. You can watch these 2 videos if you've missed them, and you can have a marathon on my channel, because I would love it if you did that. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.